Well, hello. Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Tash. Welcome back. So for today, let me get this out of my way so I can see you guys and you can see me. So for today's video, you guys, as you can tell by the title, I wanted to share with you guys some products that I picked up and some products that were sent to me. And I just want to put out there as a disclaimer to those of you that don't really know me that well, I am never bragging. It is because of those of you out there who have supported me since day one and who have been here constantly supporting and watching all my videos and showing me support that I've been able to receive these products from companies. And I don't want to, again, I'm not bragging. It's just that I want to share it with you guys. I've always told you guys, you know, I'll always be 100. I'll always be transparent. I want you to see what kinds of products are sent to me because of your support. And you know, and in videos, again, I'll repeat to you guys in that video, you know, hey, this was sent to me by blah blah blah. But I haven't done a haul video in a little bit, I don't think. So let's go ahead and just get right into it. Alright guys, so the first box, if you follow me on Instagram, I've been posting a lot on Instagram lately, so if you don't follow me, check out the description box. If you have Instagram, go ahead and follow me. So this is from Iris and Romeo, and they are a luxury brand slash, like luxury slash makeup, but good for your skin makeup as it has skincare and whatnot in it. And they sent over their Best Skin Days 5-in-1 Skincare Dewy Coverage Broad Spectrum. It's like a foundation, but they sent that over, as well as a Power Peptide Lip Balm. It is a treatment color balm all-in-one. So I'm super, super grateful. Thank you to Iris and Romeo, if you were watching this, to them for sending these products over. Now I'm just gonna open this one really quickly and give you guys kind of a peek of what it is. They sent this over, so it's supposed to give you a sheer coverage, even out the skin tone, and add a beautiful radiant glow. Moisture attracting, hyaluronic acid, and elasticity building. Rose Dementia? Alright y'all, know I'm probably mispronouncing that, but that's okay. Delivers a bouncy, healthy looking skin with sun and blue light protection. So as you can tell, again, they do have those good for you skincare properties to it, and it's supposed to be like, you know, like skincare based and whatnot. Okay, I can smell the sunscreen, but it doesn't smell bad. It smells good. So this is in the shade Tan, I believe. Yeah. So definitely stick with me and be on the lookout for this video. I'll be filming it soon. So again, thank you to Iris and Romeo. And I wanted to share this with you guys. They put this on the inside of every box, this saying, and it says, this is for the woman who isn't done. The woman who has stopped asking for permission and started charting her own course. The one who is simplifying her life to focus on what really matters. This is for the woman who cares about what goes into her body and into a landfill. The woman who has earned her laugh lines, her paycheck, and her point of view. The one who knows you don't need anything, or you don't need to change who you are to become more of what you're meant to be. That's legit, you guys. And then it says Iris and Romeo, less makeup, more you. So that's kind of their motto. You know, obviously everybody wants great coverage and whatnot. And everybody wants to look good, because if you look good, you feel good. But I thought that was really cool. So the next product, this is from Mota, and they sent over their Mota Mythical Pro Makeup Brushes Splash Travel Kit. Also down in the description box, they did give me a discount code for you guys. It is Tash10, I believe. Make sure you check the description box though. You can save 10% off any of their brushes, even their pro brushes and the more luxury brushes that they have on Royal, Lang, and Nickel. So thought that was really cool. Thank you, Mota. This is from Haley's Beauty, and I actually picked this up. We were having dinner at one of our friends' houses, and I saw that they were having a sale. And what it was it was a whole kit for $45. Now, if you've ever checked out Haley's Beauty or anything, Juicy Jazz does use Haley's Beauty. But I picked these products up because I have super dry skin, and it was basically targeted towards those of us with dry skin. It was a hydrating kit, and in that you got this super cute makeup bag. Now I did purchase this with my own money. You also got one of their blending sponges. You got a trial size of their Refine Foundation Primer, which is really cute because their main foundation that, you know, most everybody thinks of when they hear Hailey's is in the same kind of packaging as their foundation comes in. Now, again, I did pick up their Luminous foundation, and the bottle looks like, or the packaging looks like this, and then the bottle is completely different. This is their, again, Luminous Finish Liquid Foundation. And this is what this bottle looks like. I love this packaging. That is so sleek. It looks super expensive. Feels a little luxe without the price tag. So, and then I also got in this kit their Retouch Perfecting Powder. So we're gonna do a video just complete Hailey's pretty soon. The next box is from R&CO, and they actually sent this over. Thank you, R&CO. They sent a box that says it's another good hair day. R&CO. All you need is good hair. Super cute. And they sent over their R&CO Cassette Curl Conditioner with Super Seed Oil Complex. And then also the matching curl shampoo, which is really nice. Super generous, thank you. Oh, you can smell it through the seal. Woo, yeah, I can't wait to wash my head tonight. And then they also sent the High Dive Moisture Shine Cream. This is a little travel size. Very, very cute. It was very generous of them. I know that this brand can be a little pricey. I think for 2 items, it's like $50-some. So I really appreciate that. There's never anything wrong with taking care of your hair. So this is from, it doesn't say. Oh, you guys know, I know what this is. This is part of my order from the Marilyn Monroe collection that I purchased from Walmart. Now, I purchased that on, I believe it launched the pre-order on the 14th of January, and these are the only products that I have received thus far. A lot of you have been asking, you know, are you doing the Marilyn Monroe collection, or did you know about it, or girl, where's the Marilyn video? Well, I don't have all of my products yet. So I did get the Rose Drenched Toner Refresher. This has hyaluronic acid and rose water. It says it helps to hydrate and plump the skin. You guys, I love the packaging of this. It is so beautiful. So there's that product. And then here's the lip tint. And this is in Signature Red, which I got this one because when I think of Marilyn, I think of those classic, beautiful, juicy, plump red lips that she rocks. And then I also picked up their brow pencil, and this is the Precision Brow Pencil in medium dark. Again, it has this really beautiful packaging. Hopefully you guys can see that. I actually don't want to use these products. I want to collect them. So I might, if I ever get my order, I might actually collect them. I mean, I'm still going to do a video with those, but I might like repurchase and collect them. Let's get into this bag before we go into another box. So again, if you follow me on IG, you have already seen some of this stuff. So these are the CColor liquid lips. This is in their, I think it's red and pink collection. I will link it down below for you guys. These have packaging that remind me a lot of the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. I've heard these are really, really good by a YouTuber that I actually have followed for years. She's really, really good, very trustworthy. I will link her channel down in the description box. And then they also released these brand new palettes called Nightfall and Sundown. Look at the packaging, it is stunning. So one of these is actually a remake of one of their old palettes. I think it's this one, which was a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm not gonna open everything because I will have you guys here all day and half the night. This next product is from Profusion. This is their Eye Define long-lasting liquid eyeliner and the waterproof pencil. One of you asked me the other day if they had different colors. They do. They have black, brown, blue, and I honestly don't remember the rest, but I will leave their website link down below. As well as, don't forget there is a discount code in there. And then I also picked up a couple of products from Kokie. Who was it? Sally's was having a sale. And you got like $15 off if you spent, I think, $40. So I got a really good deal on this stuff. I picked up 2 of their Crystal Fusion liquid eyeshadows. And I got, let's see, Starlight and Ophelia? I don't know how to pronounce that one. But girl, look at that green. Come on, bad lighting. Here, I'll hold them back here. Hopefully you guys can see those. This is like a stunning green. And then this one kind of reminds me a little bit of rose gold, but it's not rose gold. It's really pretty though. Here, I'll try to show them to you. There we go. So there is Starlight. And they're going right up here, guys. We will be playing with those soon, I promise. I've been slacking on my liquid eyeshadows because of all these darn palettes. So there is the green one. That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then I picked up one of their kissable liquid lipsticks. And I picked up the shade Serenity, which is right here. Not that I need any more lip products. I mean, Tasha. I can't help it, you guys. I have a problem, okay? A very big problem. Then I also picked up their Get Ready Makeup Priming Spray, which I already used in a video. It went up today. And then I also picked up their Refresh Hydrating Setting Spray. Also, that video went up today. I think I used this one off camera and this one on camera. So far, you guys, I'm enjoying these. And what I like about them is they are affordable. And now, Sally Beauty Supply sells Kokie. So, I remember back in the day I could get Kokie at my Walmart, but not anymore. That did not last long. So I also picked up the Kokie Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in the shade Forest Green. This is what it looks like. I love their packaging. It's so pretty. And then here is the shade. I love different colored eyeliners. All right, so I'm going to stick that in my little testing bin right here. I also picked up, and I'm wearing a set right now, LA Colors released their High Gloss Neon artificial nail tip kits, and they released them in coffin shape, which is my fave, and then neon colors. I'm gonna tell you guys, these are not like their original press-on nails where the tip is like bendy. No, no, no. LA Colors did this, you guys. Now, at my store, they only had 4 shades, I believe. These are only available in select Walmart stores, which I think is absolutely insane. That you can't order these offline, and it's crazy. You get 33 pieces total in the kit, so you get 30 nail tips, whereas in most you only get 24 to 28. You get a nail file, the nail glue, and a prep pad. And then what I really enjoyed about this is if you're not familiar with your sizes, they do have a size guide back here. So it's not taking you, you know, 3 and 4 days to do your nails. You could do your nails in about 5 or 10 minutes. But again, I really like these. They're super cute. I love the neon, so check out your local Walmart. They're only $3.98, I believe. I don't remember if I shared with you guys these other liquid eyeshadows that I picked up from e.l.f. But obviously I loved the ones that I got. And so I did tell you guys I was going to pick up a few more. I picked up Flirty Birdie and Copper Pop. So I picked up these two. This is Copper Pop. Super pretty. And then I'm sure you guys have seen Flirty Birdie. This seems to be a very popular one online. So there's those. Those are going right here in the testing bin. And then I did pick up 2 more of the matte lips. Yeah, the matte lipsticks from Wet n Wild. And I picked up, these are really hard to read, I apologize, Never Nude and Skinny Dippin'. So here's what the color shades look like on the bottle. So they're both like nudish colors. Right up my alley for lips. Especially when I'm doing these crazy like colors on my eyes. I also picked up this Nails to Go in Coffin Shape from, I think I got this at Sally's. Yes, I picked this up at Sally's because this was part of what I got. Now this I picked up based on a recommendation from one of my all-time favorite YouTubers, Alexis Jada. If you don't know who she is, girl, friend, you are missing out. I love her. She's so relatable. She's probably around my age, maybe a little bit younger. And she's just so much fun. She's very talented. She's funny. I'll link her channel down below for you. So yeah, I picked these up. She raved about these. And again, I love the Coffin Shape. These were a really good deal, you guys. These were under $10. And you get 120 pieces. Hey. All right, so this one I'm super excited about. So I have been following the company Hip Dot for a very long time on Instagram. And I never bit the bullet and ordered from them. But I mean, look at their packaging. Hello. So pretty, right? So I don't remember why I looked at their website, but they were having a sale on these palettes. They were only $5. And I crumbled. I didn't even think about it. It was an impulse buy. But they're super, super pretty. So this palette is in Opulence. It's all shimmers, but girl, I don't mind. This one is Zion. And then the very last one is in Crystals. And this glitter, you guys, I cannot wait to dip my grubby little hands in this. Alright, you guys, I'm going to speed it up because my battery is flashing at me. So this next box is from Beautylish. They reached out to me the other day and asked if I would be interested in trying some of the Good Molecules skincare products. And of course I said yes, I love skincare. So they sent over their Instant Cleansing Balm. Super excited to try that. Thank you so much, by the way, Beautylish. This is their Super Peptide Serum. And then their Niacinamide Serum. And they also sent over their Niacinamide Brightening Toner. So basically what happened is she asked my skin type and what my main skin concerns were. And I said dry skin, large pores, and acne scars. So some of these products, like the niacinamide, is actually really good for helping minimize pores and getting, you know, the pores nicely clean and shrinking them. And then peptides are good for like fine lines, wrinkles, dullness to the skin, you know, to kind of help liven the skin up. And then the cleansing balm, of course, we all know what this is for. If you guys are interested in seeing me use these products on camera, probably sometime more towards next month. Right now I'm working with Mix Easy, so I cannot use any of these skincare products just yet. But I'm almost done with Mix Easy, so soon, my love, soon. But comment down below if you're curious, and I would love to share that with you guys. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I just want to say, hey girl, hey, thank you so much as always for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. And if you are new here, oh, what up girl, my name is Tash. I hope that you will hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you're notified each time I upload. To the new subscribers, hey girl, hey, I'm so excited to have you guys here. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know how you stumbled across my channel. If you have made it this far in the video, I do want to let you guys know that next week we will be having a giveaway. I'm going to keep it a surprise for now, but in one of next week's videos I will announce a giveaway for you guys, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. I love doing giveaways. So yeah, just keep an eye out for next week's videos. If you're not following me on Instagram and Snapchat, those are linked down below. Please follow me and let's be friends. All right, you guys, have an amazing day wherever you are. I appreciate you guys to the moon and back, and I love you so much. Bye.